Telo.
Migao mar jotije dwaro mondo riwruok governors owit oko osuru mijuogo jo ohala matindo manigi ng'ol e kaontis. Jagoro migao no Joseph Motari bende kwayo KRA mondo otim kamano ni mar jogo kale pek modhuro kendo winjo omigi sir kopogore kod juogogi. Owacho mae limbe mare Naivasha kama olando ni omenda ma piny owacho chwalo negi dhi medre ka kwan joma yudo kony bende omedore nyaka familia maloyo 100,000 kachopo higa giko higa ne.
To go to a level 5 or 6 hospital to have the therapist.
How this program, kicks off.
Or some of the in terms of
on an exemption, I am only appealing to the governors or the Council of Governors to make it official that kindly people living with disabilities who do small-scale businesses, let them do these businesses free of charge. I'm also appealing to the KRA that people living with disabilities who really struggle to earn a living, let them do the small businesses that they do with an exemption. Especially most of these exemptions that we target are from the county governments.
Those forms of disability are the most expensive because constantly they're on drug, constantly they're on therapy. So the government has allocated some amount of money and we have established the criteria and we have already mapped almost 20,000 to all the facilities across country for free therapy. We have already mapped them to health facilities across the country. Across the country we have already mapped them to health facilities for this service, whether it is therapy, whether it is drugs. And these groups are, as I said earlier, is those with autism, those with cerebral palsy, those with epilepsy, those with Down